We're gonna go right and then left. So we just left that sign. I turn on my GoPro. Yeah, and then we're gonna go left. And this is Funner or waterfall, whatever you want to call it. This is all downhill. Not really, shouldn't be. He's hauling. Good job. Wrong butt. Pretty good downhill coming up. I mean, yeah, fun one. Woohoo! That's what's up. Oh, I got my front wheel. No. You can do a jump on the left if you want. Or roll it, yeah. There's a Y up here, we're gonna go left. Yeah, that sign. Yeah, take a left. Okay, let's stop right here. So, okay, this is the bottom of Huffy Hill, basically. So the parking lot is all the way to the top. How you doing on vision? Like,